Self-discipline. How many of you think you are self-disciplined? Now, some people think that self-discipline means you are tied to something, you have to do it. No, self-discipline doesn't come from outside, it should be come from inside. Have you seen monks who practice a lot of years and then by one day, by a single hand, or maybe by single finger, then puncture a coconut or a can? How does this happen? This happen while they are doing their practice. They have to be practiced daily and daily. They had self-discipline in that. At particular time, they wake up at this time. They practice at this time for different number of hours. This is what self-discipline means. If you have promised yourself to do something at particular time, you should do it. If you make a decision to wake up at 4 or a 5 and go for a walk, you should do that. Then it is a self-discipline. In army also, all the people are self-disciplined. Discipline is the key for the life. Once Bruce Lee said, I do not afraid of the person who know 100 tricks, but I am afraid of the person who had tried one trick 100 times. See, such a powerful thought. What does he trying to say? He is saying that if you are practicing something for a lot of times and a discipline in doing that, then nobody can beat you. Maybe you are self-disciplined to do a walk daily for half an hour for 1 year and you see a lot of difference in your body. Maybe you are eating a good food regularly for a 1 year and you see a lot of difference in your body. Maybe you are reading 20 pages daily for 1 year, you see a lot of improvement in your knowledge. So this is the principle of self-discipline. Improve yourself, discipline yourself, because if you are self-disciplined, then you are able to do the things that other people can't.